Massive rotation out of tech into value as the Dow surges over 1%, while the Nasdaq barely holds flat. A clear signal markets are repositioning. The Dow closed at 52,881, up 1.29%, its best day in weeks, driven by blue-chip earnings and defensive flows. The S&P 500 added 0.43% to 7,445, but the Nasdaq Composite slipped 0.04% to 24,921, weighed by a semiconductor meltdown. The Russell 2000 eked out 0.1% gain to 2,951, small caps unable to catch a bid. Volume spiked in the final hour as institutional rebalancing hit. Salesforce surged 5.83% to 183 to 72 after a strong earnings beat. Boeing flew 5% on improved delivery outlook. Coca-Cola and BlackRock also rallied. On the flip side, Micron cratered nearly 9%. ARM Holdings dropped 7.3%, AMD lost 7.17%, and Intel fell 5%. All on disappointing guidance and a sector-wide rotation out of semiconductors into cyclicals and staples. A brutal day in commodities. WTI crude plunged 5% to 78 to 43, Brent below 84 on demand fears and OPEC plus surplus talk. Gold slipped 1% to 4,037 as the dollar weakened, but silver fell nearly 2% and palladium lost 1.91. Industrial metals also declined, with aluminum down 2.3%. Bitcoin dropped 1.61 to 63,846, and Ethereum fell 1.33 to 1,913, tracking risk-off sentiment across crypto. The dollar index eased 0.21% to 101.32, giving back earlier gains as the Fed outlook softened. Dollar-yen held at 163.75, flat ahead of the Bank of Japan meeting. $1 weakened to 1,454, a rare strength for the won on trade flow adjustments. Dollar Sing edged up to 1.29. Euro climbed to 1.14 on a weaker dollar, while the Australian dollar slipped slightly. Tomorrow's key events: weekly jobless claims and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, the PCE deflator. Watch S&P 500 support at 7,380 and resistance at 7,450. The semiconductor sell-off may extend if guidance remains weak, offering a potential short on AMD or Micron. For crude, further downside towards 76 is possible if OPEC signals additional supply. I'm Mike, IBN 42 Wire. Stay sharp. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.